Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a bear. Let's draw a big circle for the head, and then the ears, just a curve or semicircle. And then we're gonna draw a circle at the bottom of the head circle for the nose, a triangular shape, and the mouth. And 2 circles for the eyes and make the eyes sparkle as usual. Next, we're gonna draw the rosy cheeks. For sure, we're gonna make it cute, and the fluffy hair on top. Then the arms, the left one and the right one. And 2 feet. We're gonna connect the feet together. That's for the legs of the bear, and then the pattern of the feet, that's the footprint, and then we connect the feet with the body. Let's draw the pattern of the tummy, because we're gonna color it in different color. Oh, don't forget the clouds. Now it's done, we are ready to color. Black for the eyes and also the nose. Then later on pink for the rosy cheeks, and also pink for the footprint or the details inside the feet. And for the body, I'm using 3 shades of brown, the darkest shade of brown, and another dark brown but lighter one, and light brown for the tummy. And it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.